If you inherited a home that you don't intend to keep, selling your home for cash can be a quick and convenient option. With a cash sale, you can avoid the lengthy process of finding a realtor, cleaning out years of accumulated stuff, and waiting for potential buyers to make an offer. One of the biggest benefits of selling your home for cash is the speed at which you can close the sale. In some cases, you can sell your home in as little as 7 days, no appraisal needed, no realtors, no cleanup or runs to the dump. Another advantage of selling for cash is the certainty of the sale. Unlike a traditional home sale, where the buyer may back out or encounter financing issues, cash sales are typically more reliable. When you sell your home for cash, you also have more flexibility in negotiating the terms of the sale. This can include things like the closing date, the inclusion of furniture or appliances, or even a rent-back agreement that allows you to stay in the home for a short period after the sale. If you're interested in selling your home for cash, we can help. Call us at 916-599-5678. Selling your home for cash can be a smart choice for those who want to avoid the hassle and uncertainty of a traditional home sale. With a quick and convenient process, you can get cash in hand and move on with life. For more info, call 916-599-5678.